Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting here on the 1 hour chart, of course we are having a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. I have changed the count of a Bitcoin. Of course, we were looking first at a 1, 2 here for your small 1, 2 and then 3, where your wave 3 was here, and the only correction that we got, of course, was for your waves 4 here, and then considering that we have finished wave 5 here, a full impulse finish. However, what I think, because the fibs were not hit, of course, taken from the wave 2 here for a wave 4, we did not hit the fibs at all, and we look like ABC at least, or ABCDE, and by all means you will not touch the 0.23, and this is not acceptable. Therefore, definitely Bitcoin is doing an extension for this impulse and is moving the fibs level to this level here, where we have hit it perfectly now, and that means this is an extended wave towards the upside, and that means this was your wave 4 for your yellow scenario, and this was your most shallowest wave 2 I ever seen in my life. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, looking already to 100k for a wave 5 towards the upside, and a wave 3. So this is the insight. Of course, there is no, yes, this was your correction, guys. There is no bearish scenario anymore for now. It's only towards the upside. Trade safe, of course, no financial advice. I would like to mention that I'm very sorry that I feel so tired and a little bit, mentally I'm tired from looking at the charts, so I'm trying to focus on something else. And sorry to not being so active today on the channel. I need a break, definitely, because I was watching this bull run for every coin on every hour and analyze it, and that of course is a lot of pressure, which it makes you tired at the end and exhausted. So I need definitely some break, where I'm working on developing my KGT indicator here for a much more accurate and precise data. Of course, you know me, how I love to be precise and accurate. So as you can see now, we are looking to something else, right? You can see definitely the volume and prices, like the volume of the sellers and buyers, right, together on each candle, and you get the difference in between them in the top of it. And if you are minus or negative number, that means you are bearish, or there is more sellers, right? So as you can see here, the volume is increasing negatively from 3.93 starting from that candle. And you can see that it was a 6.90, right? So you see that the volume is start to be negative, but of course lower, right? Now on this candle, you see it's still negative, but it's getting bigger again, and that is an indication, of course, of a bearish scenario again, and especially that you get a valid red arrow, not gray. It is still valid, therefore of course you want to sell here on that candle here, where you start to see a move towards the upside with the volume. And here we go of sellers, and then -6, of course, increase in a seller's volume, and etc., right? So this is exactly your signal here, where you see difference with the prices or difference with the volume, and of course red arrows. And of course it's true that you are looking here for a green one, but look at the volume difference. Yeah, it's still increasing for the sellers, and therefore you don't have to buy on this candle. And this is how you know, by the way. And this was the thing missing before on this KGT indicator, and now I have solved it to see much more precise and to think about it much better what is going on. And then the next candle we get also even lower one, knowing that you got a green one, but you don't want to buy yet, because of course the difference of the volume is still increasing for the sellers. And in that case scenario, of course, only when you start to see higher volume. Okay, from 8.14 to 7.38, and definitely you will get this number before this green candle, guys. And in that case scenario, of course, you know that you have to get out, for example. Yeah. And of course, you got one more down, but yeah, it starts to move towards the upside, and here we go. It starts to get even higher in volume. Well, now it is ranging, but however, always try to combine this with your Elliott wave analysis. So if we are, of course, on the, for example, on the 15-minute chart, we are looking, if we have finished ABC and we are moving towards the upside, or did we finish A, B, C, D, E? And in that case scenario, you want to move towards the downside. If you go here to the 15-minute chart, you will see that, of course, we got the last thing, you got a green arrow even, and you're seeing here that the volume is increasing of buyers, by the way. It is positive here. The volume is increasing towards the upside from 20 to 23, 22, 95, but again 23. So definitely this is looking like bullish, but of course, here where you get your signal in the next candle, of course, even if you get more, yeah, definitely it's going up. Yeah, so it's very obvious that the buyers are getting stronger even. So possibly we are moving in a massive wave towards the upside again to finish this wave 5. So this is what I'm working on. I'm trying to improving a little bit even more, maybe, yeah, to see how can I improve it. Of course, I even have a new thing here that you can handle the ratio. It doesn't matter what numbers you see, the ratio, because it's like coefficient, because the volume is so big, by the way, it's trillions of dollars. So you need a dividend number just to make it smaller and that you compare easily. So this is a ratio where you can, yeah, you can simply do whatever you want with it. As you can see, if you put it at at 0, you can get even like very high numbers. Yeah, so it's not really nice to compare this. So it would be nicer if you have a smaller numbers, right? Here we go, and that's it for KGT. Now I'm still, of course, trying to improve it, and since I'm a little bit psychologically tired from looking on the charts, yeah, I'm trying to put some skills in the development. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.